Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite spaghetti recipe. My whole family loves it and I'm very happy to share it with you today. Now I'm using these kind of spaghetti noodles. They are made of 100% semolina, which is very healthy for you, much better than the regular noodles. I love using this brand. So you're going to start by bringing your water to boil. I've added oil and a teaspoon of salt to my water, and I'm going to bring that to boil. And once you reach a boiling temperature, you're going to go ahead and add in your noodles. And I've added about a handful and a half. Now while my noodles are cooking, I'm going to start on my meat. So I'm going to move that to the back over there, and here I am going to start cooking my meat. Of course, I love using olive oil. Olive oil is amazing with spaghetti. And here I'm adding my garlic, stirring it together. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my ground lamb meat. Yes, I said lamb. You could use ground beef if you'd like, but I have lamb, so that's what I'm going to use. Break it up a little and cook it with the garlic. And don't forget to keep mixing your spaghetti noodles every once in a while. And going back to my meat pot, I'm going to add some paprika. I'm also adding some cumin. Not much, just a sprinkle. I say about a teaspoon. If I had to guess, I used about a teaspoon each, but I'm just using the spices I love using. And I'm using white pepper, a very tiny amount of small white pepper. Give that a good mix. Mix it a little bit more. And we're adding some curry powder. And you also want to add in some basil. Basil is amazing on spaghetti. That's probably my favorite spice. If you're not using a lot of the spices, make sure you use basil. It is amazing with spaghetti. Give it a good mix. And I'm going to go ahead and remove my pot of noodles because they cooked for about 10 minutes. And I mix them every once in a while, and I've strained them on the side and let them cool. Now I'm adding in my squash here. I've cut them into multiple shapes. You can see some of them are cut into like half circles, and the others are cut into smaller cubes. I think that turned out great. And I'm also going to be adding in some green peppers. I cut them into strips, and we're going to go ahead and add them in. Of course, you got to make sure that your vegetables are cooked. We're going to go ahead and add in our diced tomatoes. There we go. That's the brand I used. I get that at Aldi's, but I'm sure you can get it at other places. A little bit of black pepper, very tiny amount, and also a small amount of cayenne pepper, and half a cup of water just so our ingredients don't stick to the pot. And we're going to let that cook for about 10 minutes. And for some reason my camera went out on me and I added in my spaghetti sauce. And I'm adding in my noodles. See, my pot here is just about done cooking. And I'm sorry, I didn't realize that my camera went out during the spaghetti sauce, but that's why I'm explaining it to you now. And mix it together. About a minute into this just to get it all blended, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this off my heat as it all finished cooking. Give it a good mix. And I took a picture of the brand of spaghetti sauce that I used. I only used 1 can. And this is the brand here, just regular tomato, basil, and garlic sauce. And this step is completely optional, guys. But this is what's going to take it up a notch. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my spaghetti noodles inside of an oven tray. And like I said, this is completely optional, but it definitely takes it up a step. And I'm putting on some mozzarella cheese. This was in my fridge. As you can see, I just didn't completely defrost yet, but it will defrost in the oven. So I'm going to put this inside my oven in the bottom where the broil is and let that broil for about 5 minutes. And this is what came out. Looks really good. I'm going to top it with some parsley. And it is ready to be served. If you can see in the video, all the cheese just melts away with the spaghetti. And this is a great recipe. My family loves this recipe. If you guys do like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button for more videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.